everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to put together this Gorilla dump cart. It's got a 2-in-1 tow handle, poly bed, and 1,200 pound load capacity. So pretty impressive. So let's get started. So here is the Gorilla dump cart. So I like how they zone the hardware. That's so cool. That makes assembly so much easier. This bolt goes up underneath and the washer and nut go on top. So see how these go in? You twist them in and then they fit right in that square. Put chair washer in. And make sure this side is exposed, not down against the washer. You pretty much just can set these in place and then tighten them. But it is a nice setup. Pretty easy to do, I'd say. I'm going to use a 13mm socket wrench. Go around and tighten them. See, these line up right here. So I've never seen a setup quite like this. So we're going to leave this one like this so we don't get confused. And I pulled this one apart already. So it looks like it goes in like this through this side. Like I said, I've never seen this piece, but it kind of makes sense. So the longer set of two goes up underneath through that bar. So this navigates around really easily, like a dream. And here's your little dump lever. Made out of poly. Some quality stuff here. 1,200 pound capacity. And it's a 2-in-1 handle. You can use a tow hitch. So look at the turning radius on this thing. That's so cool. Alright, very pretty to look at, but it is a piece of equipment now that we're going to use quite a bit, so it'll get dirty. Got a big size load of branches and sticks and stuff that I pruned. Fortunately, it's only flaw with this. No parking brake. Just turn the wheel. It's fine. Pretty easy to clean out. Yeah, I like the ability of this thing. The great turning radius is amazing, and look at that ground clearance. And a 2-in-1 handle. So yeah, quick little demo here that I did. Hilly terrain. I had to cut through the woods, through the path, get all those branches that I pruned a couple of weeks ago. Loaded it up, it maneuvered well, it went up the hill with ease, and I love the simplicity of it and the ruggedness of it. So far so good. We'll definitely be using that a lot here in the near future. But anyways, thanks for watching. Take care, and hit that subscribe button on the way out if you wish, and see you on the next video.